Number 1. 1986 GMC 3500, price $8,900. This truck comes equipped with an automatic transmission, a blue exterior paired with a gray interior, and runs on gasoline. It features a strong-running 454 V8 engine mated to a TH400 automatic transmission, delivering solid performance. The truck has received a fresh two-tone custom paint job that gives it a standout appearance. Inside, it has a serviceable older custom interior that remains functional and presentable. The suspension has been lowered for a more aggressive stance, though it is not bagged. The bed is clean and shows no signs of abuse, indicating it has been well cared for in that area. While the vehicle does need some minor odds and ends, it has had a considerable amount of recent money invested into it. It comes with a clean title, is currently on non-operation status, and will not pass smog in California. Number 2. 1998 Dodge Ram 1500, price $7,995. This truck has 171,500 miles on the odometer and comes with a clean Florida title in hand. It features a purple exterior paired with a gray interior, giving it a unique and eye-catching look. Under the hood, it's equipped with a strong 360 CI engine and a 5-speed manual transmission, offering a more engaging driving experience compared to an automatic. The truck has been upgraded with a KN cold air intake, long tube headers, and a true dual exhaust system, helping it breathe better and perform stronger. It also comes with cold air conditioning, tinted windows, and a set of nice Goodyear tires. Overall, it runs and drives exactly as it should, with smooth shifting and solid performance. It's a well-maintained full-size pickup, and it's hard to beat one with a manual transmission in this condition. Number 3. 1988 Chevrolet S10, price $10,000. This truck has 204,000 miles, an automatic transmission, and runs on gasoline. It is powered by a freshly built 383-stroker small block with forged internals, aluminum heads, a trick flow cam, and a Holley carburetor, built to handle boost or nitrous. Power is delivered through a TH350 transmission with an art-car gated shifter in 3.73 rear gears. The truck features upgraded cooling and electrical systems, including an aluminum radiator, electric fans, and new components throughout. It also has stainless exhaust with MagnaFlow mufflers, a professionally lowered suspension, and fully refreshed brakes. Exterior highlights include a cowl hood, tinted windows, American racing wheels, and a bed liner, while the interior offers new carpet, seatbelts, tachometer, and mostly original trim. Number 4. 1992 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,499. It has approximately 150,000 miles on the body and comes equipped with an automatic transmission, a 5.7L V8 engine, and runs on gasoline. It features a turquoise exterior paired with a gray interior. The truck runs, drives, and starts perfectly with no known mechanical issues. It is a strong and reliable vehicle, recently fitted with a newer engine that has only around 5,000 to 10,000 miles on it. Recent maintenance and upgrades include a new battery cables, spark plugs, spark plug wires, starter, drive shaft, rear shocks, and front brakes, ensuring it is mechanically refreshed and ready for the road. The truck sits on good tires and presents a clean body with nice paint, making it suitable for daily driving or long trips. The interior is overall clean, though the AC system has been removed, and a few minor trim pieces and door panel components are missing. Number 5. 2002 Ford Ranger, price $4,900. It has 254,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission, featuring a clean white exterior paired with a gray interior. It runs on gasoline and is powered by a dependable 4.0L V6 engine, making it a solid and practical choice for daily driving or light-duty work. The truck runs and drives great, with the engine and transmission both in strong condition. The tires are in very good condition all around, providing a smooth and stable ride. Inside, everything is in good working order, including the air conditioning and heater, both of which function properly to keep the cabin comfortable in any weather. All features operate as they should, with no known issues or leaks. The vehicle has also passed emissions testing successfully and comes with a clean title, offering added peace of mind for its next owner. Number 6. 1998 Chevrolet S10, price $4,000, equipped with a 2.2L 4-cylinder engine and a healthy 5-speed manual transmission. This compact pickup is known for being tough and dependable, starting easily, idling smoothly, shifting cleanly, and driving comfortably at any speed. The air conditioning is fully functional and blows cold. It can also be left as is and used as a reliable work truck or a daily driver. Currently, a few gauges are not functioning, but this is being checked and may simply be a fuse issue. The check engine light is on due to an EVAP emissions code. The gas cap has already been replaced, and they are waiting to see if the light resets on its own. Aside from that, there are no other known issues, and the truck drives great. Number 7. 1996 Ford F150, price $7,500, equipped with a reliable 4.9L inline-6 engine and has 204,000 miles on the odometer. The truck does require some maintenance. The AC system has had some parts replaced but still needs attention, the heater core needs to be replaced, the fuel pump for the front tank is not working, and the clutch is beginning to slip. Additionally, there are some cracked pieces on the driver's side dashboard. On the positive side, it received a new battery and rear brakes a couple of years ago. Overall, this is a solid, well-maintained classic pickup with a known history, but it will need a bit of work to bring everything back to full condition. Number 8. 1998 Ford F150, price $8,000, comes with 135,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission, powered by a gasoline engine. It features a 4x2 drivetrain, a super cab configuration, a 6.5-foot bed, and a 138.5-inch wheelbase, making it a practical and versatile pickup for everyday use. The truck runs and drives strong. It's the kind of vehicle that's ready to get to work whether the owner is or not. One of its standout details is the custom wood bedsides. It may not be a farm truck, but it certainly gives off that rugged, utility-ready vibe, capable of hauling lumber, furniture, or even a small pirate crew if needed. Inside, the gray interior is clean and well kept, while the blue exterior still shines nicely, giving the truck a solid presence on the road. Number 9. 1992 Dodge Dakota, price $3,800, with 100,000 miles is being offered, featuring an automatic transmission, a clean white exterior paired with a burgundy interior, and a reliable gasoline engine. It comes with a clean title in hand, making it ready for its next owner. This truck runs and drives great and has proven to be very dependable for its age. Powered by a strong 3.9L V6 engine, it offers a smooth and comfortable driving experience, whether on daily commutes or longer trips. The cold AC works well, adding extra comfort, especially in warmer weather. It has clearly been well maintained over the years, both mechanically and overall condition-wise, reflecting proper care from previous ownership. With its solid build and simple, no-nonsense design, this Dakota stands out as a practical option. Number 10. 1998 Ford F150, price $2,950. It has 223,000 miles on it and comes equipped with an automatic transmission and a reliable 4.6L V8 engine. It features a clean white exterior and runs on gasoline. The truck has been well maintained, with regular servicing using Mobil 1 synthetic oil, and remains in solid working condition. Originally used as a company vehicle, it has a commercial Lear camper shell with secure locking access on both sides and the rear, along with a sturdy ladder rack over the bed. The setup is fully sealed with no leaks, and there are no check engine lights present. The tires are brand new with less than 400 miles of use, and everything on the truck is functioning properly. The top half of the engine has been rebuilt, and the transmission was replaced approximately 3 years ago, ensuring continued reliability. With a clear Texas title in hand, this truck represents a well-cared-for and dependable work vehicle that is ready for its next owner.